page by now.
Okay. Hi, this is Jeannie, Carrie from Trendy Tree, and today we're going to take a few minutes to show you some of our old world Christmas ornaments. Now we have some other things. Jumping ahead to Easter, we've got some of Taylor's exclusive designs and some florals to show you. But first we're going to look at the old world Christmas ornaments. Now,
Are you going to see it?
I'm not going to see it.
Okay.
Trendy Tree's been selling old world Christmas ornaments since 2007, and so many of our customers are wreath makers. You may not even realize that we have these on the website, but we do, and there's over like 1,000 different styles. This is just an example. This is one called Flight to Egypt, and it's Joseph and Mary and baby Jesus. These are all mouth-blown ornaments and hand-painted. Now, Old World Christmas is a very old company, and many years ago, these ornaments were produced in Germany. And several years ago, they changed the manufacturing to China, but they're still using the German paints and glitters. But like I say, all this is hand-painted, so there's really exquisite ornaments for a lot less price than, say, Radco. You know, Radco is similar. They're mouth-blown and hand-painted, but prices for Radco are anywhere from $75 on up. Most of these ornaments are going to be $30 or below. And right now, they're 30% off until the end of December. Now, Carrie's going to, if you were to scan this one?
Yeah, it's up there. So it is $24.49. And the original, I don't know, I only know this one. I don't know all the original prices, but this one was $34.99.
So the price that you see on the screen is the sale price. They all come to us wrapped in tissue paper, and then when we ship them out to you, they will be in an Old World Christmas box or a plain box. It just depends on what size the ornament is, but it will be boxed to make it easy for you to wrap it, you know, and give it as
May not be
gifts.
boxed, but the box will be in there.
Oh, okay. Well, box will be in the box.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And
now sometimes we wrap them, but we don't always put them in the box.
Oh, okay.
But the box is in the box.
But the boxes are easy to put together. You just fold the tabs, and you know they come flat. And the way that we sort of started with the ornaments was Christmas ornaments was the first thing that we sold. The website initially was Pence Christmas Tree Farm, and then we named it Trendy Tree. But ornaments is what we started out with. So that was 2007.
Hey Melissa, I don't remember. 2004.
2004.
Well, we had started the website in 2007, but you were doing stuff way before.
Well, okay, I was going to show you our tradition that we do, that I do for Carrie and David and the kids, the grandkids, and of course Taylor. You know, Taylor's my granddaughter-in-law. I got these buckets, and the first time I found these was 2004, and if you could see my writing, every year I use the same bucket over and over and just write the date. So what I do is pick out ornaments for
Oh no, you ain't telling about the bucket. Tell about the bucket.
The buckets? Okay, well, the buckets, they're like two sizes. So I was shopping one day and I found two sets. So I had a big bucket, one for Carrie, one for David, and I had two of these size for AJ and Maggie. And then Matt came along unexpectedly. So I didn't have a bucket for him that would match, but I was shopping one day like in a Dirt Cheap or Big Lots or something like that, and I ran across another set of buckets. So
Christmas miracle.
The five of them have
Barb says
the
you look
same
pretty.
buckets.
Barb Gornick says, hey, you look pretty.
Oh, well, thank you, Barb. I'm down in my back, so if I sit down in a minute, you'll know why. But anyway, so I pick out an ornament that reflects something about the previous year, something they've done, or something somewhere they went, or something they like. It might be something goofy even. I know AJ one year got a rubber chicken.
I don't know if we have him anymore.
And no, he's probably discontinued by now, but retired. But anyway, so I put small things in the buckets along with the Christmas ornaments. So Carrie has a dedicated Christmas tree at her house. It doesn't have anything but the old world and Inga glass ornaments.
And Jim Marvin balls.
To what?
And Jim Marvin balls.
Oh, Jim Marvin balls.
I love Jim Marvin balls.
But
Hey, Elaine.
reckon how many ornaments you have on that tree?
Oh gosh, probably 100 or so. But now I can't put them all on it.
Won't hold them all? Well, and the kids.
I'm ready for the kids to start taking some ornaments home.
Well, that's what they'll do one day. And
I got all mine.
but they'll still walk by the tree and say, oh, this is my cheeseburger, or oh, this is my yellow duck, or whatever. So anyway, we put the ornaments in there with some small gifts, and usually there's a little cash in the bottom or something like that. So I give them their gifts at Christmas, and as soon as they get their stuff unwrapped, I take the buckets back.
Oh
That's
God,
how
we can't touch the bucket. We can't write on it. We can't play with it. You can't
I'll
move the
pass
bucket.
it on to you. It'll be in my will.
Yes.
I'll pass it on to you.
You got to start writing smaller if you plan on staying with us a long
I didn't
time.
know we'd be using the buckets that long. I mean,
They might go just skip the 2
see
O.
there? So anyway, so this will be 20 years on these buckets.
Yes.
20 years. Okay,
So now, we grabbed some randoms, not trying to.
this is a little bowl of macaroni and cheese. And the over Christmas, each one comes with a little hang tag that tells you what this ornament is and just a little bit of information about it. Nothing, just a little brief sentence. But that's the macaroni and cheese. And I guarantee you, if you have
This can be Taylor's this year.
the espresso machine,
Mm-hmm.
this is really cute. It's a little black and silver espresso machine. And some of the ornaments, would lend themselves well to personalizing if you want to. Now, an avid or a collector, they don't want the tags off. They don't want any markings, on the ornaments, because there's a lot of people out there that have been collecting these for years. But like this one, the espresso machine, it was invented over 100 years ago.
Donna.
I didn't know that.
Hey, Donna.
Hey, Donna.
I'm itchy.
So you can give somebody an ornament, and you can do this all year long. They're really not just for Christmas, because they make such a great gift. They make great party favors. If your child has a themed birthday party, now I'm not saying give each child a glass ornament. They're not going to be too thrilled with that. But if you give a kid some kind of a storybook, and then give them a glass ornament that kind of matches the theme to that book, then the mom can take that ornament, keep up with it, and the child gets the book. So you can pick out if anything. I mean, you can look for food. Let's see, travel sites, like I think we got an Empire Building coming up, but parks, and if you just search, you can find anything. And
Hey, Tony.
Hey, Tony. This one is a lion and the lamb. See, that's a really good ornament to put in an Easter basket.
You've also, I think, given it to them like when they get baptized or.
Special events, right. That's what I say. You can pick out an ornament for almost any kind of special event.
Another Taylor. Taylor, your bucket gonna be full.
If you have any trouble finding an ornament for a specific event, if you just email us, I guarantee you we can find one. So it's a recital or a trip to the beach. Oh, here's one. This is a good one for like vacation. It's a bottle of, sunscreen. Couldn't think of it, I'm sorry. Sunscreen. And of course all these are glass, and I see people all the time pick them up and hold them by the top. I don't do that, because I think that will come out. It's in there on a little spring, and you can bend it together and pull it out. So I always say handle them, by the body, like that. Okay.
Chicken wing.
Some wing. If you have somebody in your family that has a particular fondness for a food, see, that wouldn't be good to personalize. You can find French fries, hamburgers, hot dogs, desserts, cakes, cookies, cupcakes, fruit, just anything. Now this is a good one, like for the Cheshire Cat. If you were like giving an Alice in Wonderland game, toy, or book, to a little girl, then the little cat would be good to go with it.
So we got a few ornaments, and then we're gonna show some lavender and some of Taylor's signs.
Easter, some pretty Easter stuff.
Come Come on now. Yeah.
I love this one. It's a brontosaurus, and look how cute it is. This is a good one, like if you go to a museum and you know you come home with a stuffed animal, a dinosaur, or a book or something like that, then this is a good one for that. And like I said, that's why they're so
We
good.
usually write on the bottom.
Right.
Somewhere
You can
try to
get
write.
a silver pen, a pen that writes on glass to do that. But that's a good one to just document those visits, because then years later they'll look back on the tree and they say, oh, I remember when we went to the museum.
Mm-hmm. You know, we got that giraffe that licked AJ.
Yeah. This is a little Yorkie. This ornament has been around for several years. It's so popular, but it's a little Yorkie, and it just tells you on the back a little bit something about it. But it's so cute. Got a little red bow. That's what it looks like from the back. There's all kinds of dogs, animals, horses, farm animals. Here's one that's a cluster, bunch of bananas. And there's a single banana too, but this one has got like 4 bananas in a cluster. Really cute. You could write on that too, write on that banana.
Maggie.
Maggie's got one of these. She loves chocolate covered strawberries. And this is one that's got chocolate and white, and it's called a chocolate dipped strawberry. Isn't that cute? And if you get a lot of these on your tree,
That'll be AJ's this year. He's discovered he likes ranch.
ranch dressing,
Mm-hmm.
ranch dressing, and see that bottle, that would be good to personalize. But there's a lot of branded items.
Yes.
If you look at on the website, if you're into like different brands like
Hey, Audra.
Coca-Cola, Hostess.
Yeah, but we're not showing those.
No, but these are just to go on your tree. So this is some earphones. What kid do you know that doesn't have a set of earphones? Beats, I
Beats?
guess. So yeah. So see, if you gave them some Beats earphones for Christmas, you could give them the little ornament. And like I say, that they may not, children may not appreciate it now, but they will later on, and you will. And if I had it to do over, every time I bought an ornament for the kids, I'd have bought one for myself so that I would have a tree of all their stuff too.
Janice Fowler said her granddaughter has a deviled egg. We had the deviled egg, but it's sold out. We love
It's
the
already
deviled egg.
gone. This one is the Empire State Building. So
When we went to New York,
that's a cute one. Taylor and AJ got engaged in New York in Central Park. So a landmark. These are great for if you travel a lot. Great keepsakes for those vacations. This is a kitty cat. Does he come in 2 colors?
oh Lord, I hope not. Playful kitten. Yep, he's a white and a grayish tan. So this is the grayish tan, and there's a white.
Right.
So if you need him, you do 114 space white or 114 space grayish tan.
This is a style that's been with Old World for a long time too. Just a kitty cat with a ball of yarn. And they do retire some ornaments every year. And of course, once those sell out, they're gone. This one is a Palomino, what do they call
Shetland
it?
pony.
It's called a Shetland pony. Isn't it cute? Pretty little face, look at it. So cute.
Just a little tropical
Oh yeah,
fish.
this,
Peppermint angelfish.
well, how about that? I'll not drop it. Isn't that cute? So if you've got somebody that loves to collect fish, there's several different styles of fish. I know there's one that's like a dory
Yeah.
fish, a tang, that's what they call it, a blue tang, and there's a whole bunch of fish. Here's another one. What is that, an angelfish?
A pink and yellow tropical
Tropical
angelfish.
angelfish. Isn't that cute? His little face.
Isn't this what Candy's got? A Westie? Is that what her dogs are?
I don't know if he's a Westie or not. Here's another little dog. He's a Westie, a little Scottish dog. And, so cute. But there's Dobermans, there's Labs, all different colors, just all different kinds of dogs.
A little 6-pack of burr.
There you go. little generic beer 6-pack. There's all kinds of food and beverages, cocktails, bottles of beer, bottles of champagne.
Sea turtle?
This is another
tropical.
one that's been popular for a long time. It's a little green sea turtle. He's from 100 million years ago.
And here's a little hop-along frog.
Frogs. And I love this little frog. He's tiny. Some ornaments are just bigger than others, but he's just tiny. Look at that, how cute. There's a lot of people that collect frogs.
Oh,
It may not be on the app now, but it's on
okay.
the website.
Was it not listed? Oh crap. Okay. I'll do it in a second. What's that number? 32. What's that number? 32057.
Sushi platter. I missed it. 32057, I think.
This next one is a glazed donut, and it's about the size of an actual donut. It's just brown looking on the bottom, and then has the pink on top, and a little bit of, looks like jelly in the center. It comes in 2 versions. This is the pink one, and then there's a white one, and they're called frosted donuts, I guess. Now the white one is not.
It's kind of a pinkish.
It's not pure white. It's got white.
I think it's its own thing. It's
separate. Okay, but it has pink glitter on it, so it kind of has a pinkish look more so than this one. But that's a great
Somebody
size.
said there's a lot of stories about frogs too. Yeah, you remember that time Granddaddy put that frog down Nana's shirt?
Oh yeah.
Her pants.
And that's still a bad subject.
Okay, so that is a sushi platter.
Oh, a sushi platter. See, this is new. I haven't even seen some of these new ones. Isn't that cute? It looks like it's on a little wooden board.
It's on Amazon too.
Isn't that cute?
Yes, and all your well, Maggie and Matt and Taylor
It's got
like
the
the sushi.
fish and the
Little sushi rolls.
Cute.
Okay,
I'm not a sushi fan, but this is cute.
it is cute.
Okay.
All right, little mama.
All right, so
You want me to go?
just like I say, if you have a special wish for an ornament and you can't find one that you think fits what you need, just email, and I promise you we can find something that would be right. All right, you gonna see y'all. I'll get my buckets.
Oh Lord, Lord, have mercy. Take the buckets. The pass off has been done.
We need a trumpet or a bugle.
I know, with the buckets. Okay.